on the wall here in Akko, and there's Haifa. You can see. I don't know how well the camera will pick it up, but that mountain ridge, Mount Carmel, Haifa, Haifa Bay. This is the part of the peninsula, a small peninsula that juts out here in Akko. And here's the sea. And then you come up this way and then you're going north, and there's that ridge is Rasha Nikra and the Lebanese border, and all the cities north of here, Creole and Naria. You can do this for free here, and walking on the ramparts in Jerusalem costs money. But here, there's different places you can come up and get a view of the sea. Beautiful day.